hello galactic family. May the blessings of love bring peace to their bodies, minds and hearts. I radiated in the purest love that departs from the heart. I am here to bring words of comfort and warm their hearts weary of the fight. My beloved children, I am Mary, your mother, and I bring here the tenderness and the comfort so that, together with me, you can go on a journey towards health and physical and emotional balance. Be anchored in my heart, for soon you will be levitating with me in spirit to high levels of consciousness, beyond understanding the physical plane. Realize, dear ones, you are immersed in matter, living a brief experience, which will soon culminate in the construction of a being of light completely clean and radiated with love and peace. Be open to receiving this sacred heart today, for I entrust it to you, as I trust in you, for I know that you are capable of carrying that flame on forever from now on. I trust in you to be the representatives of the Word of Christ, the flame of truth and healing. You are chosen by me to be the bearers of the flame that will kindle the hearts, and set you free for the truth. I will always be with you during your daily experiences, to bring the memory of this burning flame in your hearts. Bring that energy of truth into you and then manifest it to the outside through words, counsel, wisdom. I anchor in you the truth, manifest the truth through these channels, which will be the channels of healing for all humanity and for yourselves, today and always. Faced with daily situations of material coexistence, they will be inspired by me, to bring wise words in the face of imbalance, relief from pain and certainty in the face of doubt. You will receive this impulse, so that you carry the information that comes from your hearts, to those people with whom you experience experiences. But you must open yourself to this new possibility, to this new self that is anchored in you. When you feel, beloved children, that your heart calls for a word of wisdom to be said before a situation, with zeal, with love and calm, always trust. Give that opening, for, from the first word spoken through the channel of the open heart of love, there will come many more words, and you yourself will be amazed at your ability to intervene wisely in different situations. Always praying for peace and also carrying the manifested truth. Those who demonstrate hardness of heart, emotional imbalance, are nothing more than pieces of each of us. They are parts of the whole, which is us. And when we decide not to close our eyes to them, dear children, we are also opening the possibility within ourselves of healing and restoration. Restoration of purity, of truth, through healing that comes through words, through transforming agents that are you. Be the bearers of the flame of truth, with love in your heart. Many are lacking in truth, living in a vicious circle of illusion where they cannot find the way out. And you can help them to break free. You are receiving the Holy Grail, with the water that everyone will drink, through the flood of love from your hearts all around you. Their lives become the cycle of repetitions of loving gaze before all situations and then in the exhibition of transforming and healing ideas through true words. My beloved children, I am Mary, your mother, and I am here to spread the mantle of hope and affection over all of you, with much love. Receive this energy and anchor it in your heart, so that it is carried as the truth in manifestation. Mother Mary,